How to use Microsoft Excel slicers. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to insert and use slicers in Microsoft Excel to filter pivot tables or tables easily. So let's get started. First of all, you can see that this is the table, so you can simply, copy this. Like, you can simply select this table, and then you got to click on insert, and here you got to click on pivot table, and then you got to select your new worksheet or existing worksheet, click on OK, and then you got to select the pivot fields. For example, I'm going to select all of these, that is name, age, class, and you can see that a pivot table has been created. Now, if you wish to add slicers, you got to simply select these over here. And once you do so, you got to simply click on insert, and then you got to click on this slicer over here, and then you got to select which slicers you wish to create. For example, you can select name and click on OK, and here you can see the slicers have been selected, and you can simply click on them and you'll be redirected to the specific name. And you can also add various other slicers. For example, I'm going to click on insert again, click on slicer, and click on age and class, click on OK, and you can see you can also filter on the basis of classes. And after that, you can also do that on age, and you can see that you got to select these three filters. And if you wish to remove any filter, you got to simply click on cross and the filter would be removed. Now, if not this, if you don't want to use this, so I'm going to simply delete these over here. And you can simply head over here and select the table, and then you got to click on insert and click on slicer, and you can also add slicers like directly from the table. So that is basically how you can use Microsoft Excel slicers. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.